If you're looking for the click adventure games, then here are the games you should check out on the iPad, which you can play with your Apple Pencil. I'm going to use the Apple Pencil 2, but if you are rocking the iPad mini with the Apple Pencil 1, still this video will be relevant. It doesn't really matter you use a Apple Pencil 1 or 2 or a third party pencil. These are the games you should play with your stylus. Now, let's get started with the amazing games. Number 1 is my favorite. Let's get started with the top 12 games to play with your Apple Pencil. The number 12 is the Cooking Mama. Here we go. We have to cut. So now let's get to the number 11 game. Number 11 is the SimCity. Why I rank a little bit lower? Because sometimes the connection is bad, connecting with the server is bad. Overall, I will love to rank this game higher, but the connection can be a problem which can ruin the experience. Okay, let's play this one. Okay. No, we need to...
Lordship. Mardunsa. Zach.
I think we don't want to build a road. Let's see what else we have. Let's focus on this one. Tap the nail to collect. Okay. Build a supply store. Okay. And number
Lordship.
okay. Now let's go to our number 10 game, Futurama World of Tomorrow. I personally like this game a lot. This is quite fun to play with your Apple Pencil. It's a quite nice game, to be honest with you. Okay, let's see what else we have. Okay, welcome aboard. I think the music is on, but why is not responding? Where is the soundtrack? Anyway, let's play. Okay, go. This is the number 10 game. Now let me jump to the number 9 game. Yes, you heard me right. Number 9 game is the Submerged. I wish the graphics are a little bit better. Let us go here. Submerged is number 9. What is here? Let's go here. Come on. My boat is stuck right now. Okay, let me go from this way. Come on. Nothing. We cannot climb here. We need to go on our dock. This way I have to go. Now let me jump to number 8 game. Yes, you heard me right. Number 8 game can't be none other than Sim FreePlay. Okay. Let's see where's our Sim. Let's see where she. Okay, she is here. What she is here doing? Okay. I wanna build a. No. Let's see what else we can build. Okay, are you ready about bathroom? Let's see here. Wash hand. Let's go inside to wash our hand. So she's washing her hand. Okay, let's see house. Okay, add a floor. Let's add a floor. Okay, lamp. Okay, okay, now let me show you the number 7 game. Number 7, the Sims Mobile. I personally like this game more than the Sim Freestyle, the free play I mean. Okay, I really like this game. This game is a little bit better to control. Okay, let's play. Bella can't chat now. Okay, she can't chat now. Let's see.
Durnash, Ars Vinash, Mr. Boopy, Blarko, Monica Reb, Archka, Domiska, Flossie, Mizagda, Zoomgavev, Slogdi, Jorn Flavi.
Let us bring to the washroom. Okay. Now let me jump to number 6 game. Number 6 game is Sonic Runner. Let's start it. I really like this game. I missed it. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, okay. Oh no. Oh no, no, wait. I have to survive. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Okay, now let's move to the next game. Harvest Town. This is our number 5 game. Let's enter the town. How much money we have? We have 11,000. Let us build 3 design track browser. This one is better. But where we wanna build it? We cannot build like very big roller coaster ride. We have to build something small. Thrill ride. Something like this. We already have thrill ride, no need. Let us build something like water ride. No water ride available. Junior ride. Okay, this is the junior ride. I wanna build a big roller coaster. Okay, let me build a roller coaster. Okay, here we go. Let's check finance. And number 3 game is the Syberia one. This is the Syberia one game. And number 2 is the Syberia 2 game, one of my favorite click adventure game of all time. I love this game. Like, this is the best click adventure game ever built, period.
My friend who's with me came by here once. His name's Hans Vorarlberg. You don't know him.
I haven't been here for long.
We're going to keep on going, pushing northeast. A great journey to an improbable place. I actually think I'm just keeping an old man company in pursuit of his final dream.
Ah, people like you, Miss Walker.
Tell me, Colonel, are there a lot of trains that pass through here?
Not really. But then, I've not been here for long.
Right. I'll leave you to get on with your business.
Not much.
Oh, candy. Doesn't look like that works. Nothing I can do. It's locked.
And now jump to the number 1 game, Company of Hero. This is a game you should. This is a game which is a reason to buy an iPad. This is a game why you should buy a iPad OS tablet over the Android tablet. My favorite game of all time. Like back in the day, running Company of Hero on PC was like running Crysis. I mean, the game was quite hard to run, to be honest with you. Okay, let's get started. We are going to start our war. Are we ready? Omaha Beach, 7 a.m. D-Day.
Naval Company,
Get 25 soldiers.
We need to get to that shingle. Got MGs get a beat on you, you get covered. Rifles at the ready.
All right, I want quick sprints to the shingle. Keep your eyes peeled for the MGs. Stay close to cover.
Okay, they are moving.
Where the hell is second squad? Up two, lady. Move on, man. Tactical spacing.
Sniper. So these were the top 12 games which you should play on the iPad. I hope you like my video. Let me know in the comment section box below if I miss any game. These are my favorite game. Most of these are paid game. I bought it from my own pocket. So is there any good paid game? Let me know. I'm going to buy it. Bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.